No, she just want to.
Kunin mo ng photos. Meron ba? Oh, yum!
Yeah.
Yum!
Looking over this.
Yum! Yummy? Yummy?
Ryah.
Yummy!
Yummy.
You're so...
Ryah. Pumasok mo na sila.
You want some? You want some? You want some? Yeah.
Okay, you're still going.
Give
You're like mouse meaning from outside.
give something to Rachel. Give it.
Oh, thank you.
Come on.
No.
At least it's lactose free or something.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Why is she kissing the ice cream? No, you do. That's not you. Ice cream. It's a grotty. I don't understand.
You can't get that off it. You get a screen.
She's gonna have
Oh,
sugar rush.
Yeah, no, she'll actually lose it. But I'm gonna take it off her though because I want her to.
Oh, thank you.
Come on.